In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Calendly for sales in just 5 minutes. Calendly is an incredible tool that simplifies scheduling by eliminating the back and forth emails trying to find the perfect time to meet. It's particularly useful for sales professionals who value maximizing their efficiency and streamlining their appointment setting process. To kick things off, let's navigate to the official Calendly website, which is calendly.com. Once you're there, look for the login button, usually located at the top right of the page. A quick click on login will take you to the page where you can enter your email address. After typing in your email address, go ahead and hit continue. You'll see a space to enter your password, fill it in and click continue to gain access to your account. Upon logging in, you'll land on the Calendly homepage. You'll quickly notice options available to tailor and organize your meeting schedules. Let's focus on crafting an event suited for your sales tasks. Start by clicking on the Create button, and that will initiate the process of setting up a new event. When choosing the event type, select one-on-one. This is ideal for personal sales meetings. Then it's time to name your event, make it descriptive yet concise to clearly communicate its purpose. For instance, sales consultation with your name could work well. Next, pick a suitable duration. Consider how long you generally need. 30 or 60 minutes may often suffice for consultations. One of the options you'll encounter is selecting a location. This could be a Zoom call, Google Meet, or even a simple phone call depending on your preference and what's most accessible for your prospect. Make sure it aligns with what's most convenient for both parties. After that, ensure your availability times are accurate. You want to open up your calendar only when you're genuinely available to take meetings. A crucial step is choosing who will host the meeting or appointment. If you're working within a team, this is where you can assign the event to yourself or another team member, ensuring accountability and proper follow-up. Once all these details are set and confirmed, simply click on Create. Congratulations, your event is now live. You can seamlessly share this event link with potential clients or prospects. Whether you choose to send it directly to them or conveniently post it on your website to generate sales, Calendly provides you with the flexibility to enhance your outreach strategy effortlessly. By embedding this link on your website or sharing it via email, you enhance your accessibility and make it easier for others to schedule with you, all while you're busy closing deals and focusing on your sales goals. I hope this setup guide empowers you to use Calendly efficiently to drive your sales efforts. Thank you for watching and happy scheduling.